Mr. Right.
Little time I have being happy in the place where I want to be. The life I'm gonna live.
At nagpaparaya sa gusto. Was it really happening? Love of my life. Sa huling Lunes ng taon.
Sa tingin mo ba? Sa tingin mo ba magiging sila tayo nun? Kaya ang pagkulang ng trabaho mo bukas. Kasi mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita.
Hindi naman pala eh. Hindi naman pala eh.
Does not fall under that category. Choose another one.
What about this?
Lavenders.
What about this? Just like a sunflower. Bright, positive, quirky,